Hi, my name is Christian,
And I'm Safi.
and today we're going to show you guys linear search.
Linear search is when you search for an item or element. You start from the beginning of the array and continue through each element until you reach the element you're looking for, or you reach the end of the array.
First, we will create a method which takes an integer and an array and returns an integer. We will be implementing a for loop to check each index for each element we are looking for. First, we need to create a method. This method takes an array and an integer and returns an integer. This method contains a for loop which iterates through the elements of the array. The for loop contains an if statement which checks if the element at the index equals the number that we're looking for, and if it does, it returns an index, and if it doesn't, it returns -1.
Let's use this array as an example. Say you want to find the element 8. First, we have to start at the first index. Is 5 equal to 8?
Yes, sir.
No. So we move to the next index. Is 7 equal to 8? No. So you have to go to the next index. Is 4 equal to 8? No. So then we go to the next index. Is 8 equal to 8? Yes. So 8 is found at index 3. Our program will then return index 3.
For linear search, the best case scenario is when the first element of the array is the same number as the number that we're looking for. This is an example of best case scenario when we're looking for the number 8.
In the best case scenario, there's only one comparison being made.
For linear search, the average case scenario is when the number that we're looking for is in the middle of the array. This is an example of average case scenario when we're looking for 8.
In average case scenario, the number of comparisons being made is half the length of the array.
Worst case scenario for linear search is when the number that we're looking for is at the end of the array or is not in the array at all. This is an example is when the element is at the end of the array, and this is an example of when the element is not in
In
the array.
worst case scenario, the number of comparisons being made is the total length of the array.
The space complexity for linear search is big O1.
This means that linear search makes a constant number of comparisons depending on the number of elements being sorted.